Hello and welcome to Statistically Significant. In this video, I will show how to do an assignment problem using the Tora software for operations research. So here is our problem. You can see that it is a balanced assignment problem. So let's see how to solve it using the Tora software. This is the Tora main page. Click here. Now you can see that there is no option for assignment problem, but you can go and solve it using the transportation model. As we all know that the assignment problem is a special case of transportation problem in which all the availabilities and the requirements are all equal to 1, as one person can do only one job at a time. One person can be assigned only one job at a time. So go to input screen. Now on the title we write assignment problem. In the problem we have 4 sources and 4 destination. So 4 sources, tab 4 destination, then click on tab and enter the name of the sources, enter the name of the destinations as D1, tab D2, tab D3, tab D4, and the sources as S1, S2, S3, S4. Now the cost matrix, enter it's 18, 26, 17, 11, 18, 18, 26, 17 and 11, 13, 28, 14, 26, 13, 28, 14, 26, 38, 19, 18, 15. It's 38, 19, 18 and sorry, it's 18, not 189. It's 18 and it's 15, and it's 19, 26, 24 and 10. Nineteen, 26, 24, 10. So we have entered the costs. Let's have a check. Yes, it's okay. Now the supply and the demand, that is the availability and requirements, they are all equal to 1. We know why it is equal to 1, as we can assign only one job to one person at a time. So this is the cost matrix with the availability and the requirements in the supply and demand columns. So let's click on solve menu. Now solve problem, click on Vogel's starting solution. Okay, while solving the assignment problem, click on Vogel's starting solution, and we get that the problem is solved in just one iteration. Okay, and the allocations are the cells where you could see 1 is written. These are the cells where the jobs have been allocated or the jobs have been assigned. So you can see that source 1 has been assigned the job for destination 3. Source 2 has been assigned the job for destination 1. Source 3 has been assigned the job for destination 2, and source 4 has been assigned the job for destination 4. Okay, and we can see that the minimum cost of the objective function is 59, which is the minimum cost. So we have got our answer. Now click on write to printer to see the data, to save the data with the answer. taking a bit time. Click on OK. So this was our problem, and this is our answer. The supply column should have come here, but due to lack of space, the OneNote software has shown it here down. That's not a problem. We just need the value of the minimum assignment cost, which is 59 here, and the assignments, that is where there is one written in the particular cell, there the jobs have been assigned here. In manual, we do it differently. The manually, in that case, the cells where the zeros have been assigned and crossed, those are our assigned cells, but here it's a differently Tora is doing. That's not a case. We just need the answer and the objective cost, minimum cost we need. So here we can see that in this cell 1, so S1 has been assigned the job for D3. Here it is 1. S2 assigned the job for D1. Here it is 1. S3 has been assigned the job for D2, and here it is 1 in this final. So it's S4 has been assigned the job for D4. So it is the answer, and this is how you now you can save this answer. Okay, you all know how to save. So that's it, how to use the Tora software for an assignment problem. I hope you guys have understood this. Thank you.